Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Òrìṣàs, the divine forces guiding our paths, Ọ̀rúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The path of the spiritual medium. Prayer, Ròṣó. Ògbè Ròṣó Úntelé isin awo ariso Ìpkùẹ Takun isini iwin arisa abanidiye afiyeba egoworo esayo oloruni adifafun runmila adifafun sango ati egun. Story, Patakin. In the land of Ìpkùẹ Ẹrú, most of its inhabitants were possessed by the Egun, ancestral spirits, and its people dedicated themselves exclusively to spiritual practices, as they did not know the Òrìṣàs. Among these people taken by the Egun, there was one individual who, when possessed by a certain Egun, would transform in strange ways and begin to speak incoherent words that no one else understood. Upon realizing that no one comprehended his speech, he would become frenzied and cause his horse, his medium, to roll on the ground in agitation. One day, this person had a revelation that told him he should leave those lands in order to find his true path. The next day, he set out and arrived in the land of Aramba, where he began to make new friends. One day, he was invited to participate in a spiritual ceremony. Despite the fear that overcame him, afraid that the same spirit might take hold of him and cause him to fall to the ground in front of strangers, he accepted the invitation to be polite. During that gathering, the Egun, with the undecipherable speech, possessed him again. But this time, the spirit spoke in a way that was understood by the people present. It revealed itself as an entity, a child of Sango, and asked those present to explain to its horse, the medium, that he needed to go to the house of Runmila. The man went to Runmila's house, who performed sod, divination, and saw this Ifa sign. Runmila told him, "You are Omo Sango, a child of Sango, whom you must accept as soon as possible. You were born to be taken by the influence of both Egun and Òrìṣà, for that is your mission on earth. As long as you remain faithful and committed to them, you will be well and receive all you desire in life." The man received Esu, Elegba, and underwent the Awafaka ceremony. Shortly thereafter, he participated in the Yoko Risa initiation and traveled to the land of Isu Awan Risa, where in a short time he became wealthy and powerful, respected and admired by everyone. However, he was not content, as he was very greedy. Despite his high status, he began to feel envy toward the Oba, king or high priest of that land, who was beloved and recognized as the ultimate authority in the religion. Desiring to be equal or greater than the Oba, he went to see him, requesting to be consecrated in Ifa. The Awo, Babalawo, told him, "I must perform in sod so that Ifa may speak." The Awo saw Ògbè Ròṣó Úntelé and told him, "You are an ambitious and envious person who only desires to be more than you are, and that is a harmful thing. Ifa also says your true path is to serve as a vessel for Egun and Òrìṣà, and you will never be an interpreter of Ifa. Be content with what Olófin has given you, and do not abandon your true mission, lest you destroy yourself. Toiban Esu,